Right, so in English, we know that there are like plethora of words, isn't it? English wala vachana godak tiyenawa, right? Okay, so I'm going to teach you 3 words for today, right? Vachana tunak ada api igena gamu. The first word would be pandemic. Okay, pandemic. What is pandemic? Then me dawas wala harima famous word ekak thamai pandemic kiyala kiyanne, right? So pandemic means vasangataya. Okay, vasangataya, right? The pandemic situation, like current pandemic situation, is getting worsened day by day. Okay, මේ pandemic වසංගත තත්ත්වය දවසින් දවස නරකතර තමයි පත් වෙන්නේ යන්නේ, isn't it? So pandemic is what we call as vasangataya. Okay, what are the spellings of pandemic? Pandemic. Pandemic. That is the first word. Okay, let's go for the second word. That is ecstatic. Pronounce with me. Ecstatic. What do you mean by ecstatic? Ecstatic means that you're so happy. Harima satutui. Joyful. Okay? The day that I passed my scholarship exam was such an ecstatic moment. Amataka novana harima satutu. Kinaka tamai me ecstatic kiyala kiyanne. Okay, y'all can use these words. Mewa harima uncommon words. Then become happy. Okay, such a great day kinata vadiya. Ecstatic is an uncommon word that y'all can use in your day-to-day life. Isn't it? Okay, right. So the third word would be influence. What is influence? Influence mean like, you know, balapanama. Balapama. The මේ බලපෑම ඇවිල්ලා කෙනෙක්ට නැත්නම් යම්කිසි දෙයකට බලපාන්න පුළුවන් in an important way. වැදගත් විදිහට. මේ බලපෑම නිසා කෙනෙක් change වෙන්න පුළුවන්, වෙනස් වෙන්න පුළුවන්, හැබැයි හොඳ විදිහට. Influence. බලපෑම. Okay? My father's advice influenced me so much. මගේ තාත්තගේ අවවාදය මට ගොඩක් හොඳට බලපෑවා. In a positive way. Okay, I hope you all understood. So I'll be back with another lesson. Until then, y'all take care.